Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing because I'll be doing a lot more of such tutorials and videos. So today we're going to be doing the neon style edit for text. So the first thing we're going to learn is how to quickly make an outline of any font style that you might want to use, and then how to convert it into a neon style, the glowing sort of text effect. It's pretty easy and we'll learn how to do it really quickly. Let's get started without wasting any more time. So the first thing you need to do is choose the horizontal type tool. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm just going to log in with sim again. Oh, you know what? I'm going to write my name. And I want it centered. I'm going to like it like that. And make it a little bigger so it's clearer for you. 200. Upside and select it. So yeah, if you wanna, if this box is visible and you wanna edit the text, so you have to select the text before you change any values here. So I'm just gonna go ahead, choose 200 points, and that's pretty much too much, right? So 150. Yeah, that looks good. I'm just gonna have to increase the size so that it fits in one line. Oh, come on. I'm gonna have to reduce it to maybe 120. Okay, that's fine. Let's work with that. Just hit escape and I hit Control T, and I'm going to try to place it somewhere in the center. That's good enough. Hit enter. Okay, once you've done this much, we want to get rid of this black fill. We want to get only the outline. So how do we do that? We go to blending options, and in the blending options you're going to notice that there's two parts. One is the general blending and one is the advanced blending. So you want to reduce the opacity for the advanced blending. Make sure that you're not reducing the opacity for the general blending. I'll show you in a minute why that will ruin everything. So this is from the previous project, right? So let's just keep it black, and I want to keep the opacity to 100. So here you see we have a very neat sort of outline of the font style that we used. Now you can change the position. If you choose outside, you get a sort of bigger rounded sort of text. If you choose inside, you get a more lean sort of text. I like using centered, so I'm going to go ahead with centered. You can change the size of the stroke if you want. You go ahead and go crazy with it, whatever you like. So the next thing is, as I was saying, you want to reduce the fill opacity for the advanced blending, because if you reduce the fill opacity for the general blending, even your stroke goes away. Whatever, you know um, overlays, glows, whatever you put, right, all of those are covered by a general blending opacity, so we don't want to get rid of that. So the next thing is how to make it glow, right? We want to give it this sort of neon look and make it look like a really cool futuristic sort of thing. I'm just gonna go ahead, click on my background, and we need a dark color, so I'm gonna put a solid color layer or somewhere nearly black. Hit OK, then go back to the text layer, go back to our blending options, and the first thing we want to do is we want to change the stroke color to whichever color we want, the glow to be. So I'm going to go ahead with a green. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. We're going to be changing the opacity later because you'll see what I mean. So I want this to match with my green over here. Get it? Now I'm gonna have to zoom in a little bit. Hold Control and click on your workspace, and you can zoom in from this menu. So just gonna go ahead, choose that. Oopsie, it's not choosing the green. Okay, it doesn't select the stroke. No problem. Just go ahead, select it here. Or there's another alternative. Just if you kindly go over, cool. You can go to the stroke, choose the color, go ahead and copy this color code, and go back to your inner glow and paste it, which I got it pretty almost, not almost right there. So let's reduce the size slightly, maybe a little too much. Okay, this is good. The next thing is you want an outer glow. Same thing, just go ahead, paste your color code here. And what I like to do is I like to match the inner and outer glows, whatever values I put for all of these. So I'm just gonna make it 10? I'm sorry, not this. It was 13. Okay. Just gonna go ahead with 13. There we go. And the next thing I'm gonna do, I want to reduce the opacity of the stroke. Not really happy with it. That looks much better for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead, zoom out. There you go, you have it. It looks like a cool, really cool neon sort of boarding. It's pretty simple, and you can go ahead and use it for whatever projects you want. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please do subscribe and make sure to drop any comments that you have in the comment section, and see you in the next one.